Hey everybody, your friendly math tutor here. Welcome to our new Patreon channel. So what I'm hoping to do here is just put out some videos and worksheets and such to help people with school. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm creating a BC calculus series. It could also be AB. You could follow along for the first 8 units, but I'm going to cover all 10 units for a BC Calc. And each week I'm going to put out a video on YouTube, which will be kind of like a lecture slash like worked out examples and stuff like that on all the units. It's going to start Monday, January 23rd and go all the way up until Monday, May 8th. Monday, May 8th is the AP Calc exam, both for AB and BC. And what I want to do is I'm going to put out a bunch of stuff on YouTube each week, and on TikTok I'm going to put out a bunch of videos. So definitely check out our TikTok, our Instagram, and our YouTube channel. All of that will be a ton of things that I'm going to put out, all that will be very helpful. But if you want to kind of go to the next level with all of this, in addition to all of that, I'm going to be releasing those videos that I put on YouTube. I'll release them ahead of time on Patreon. I'm also going to put out a weekly review sheet on Patreon. It'll be a PDF sheet that you can download, and then later in the week I will put out a video of me solving all of those problems. In addition to that, each week on Fridays late in the afternoon, I'm going to do a live Q&A for an hour for Patreon only subscribers. So in addition to everything I'm going to be doing on YouTube and TikTok, getting ready for the AP Calc exam, for those 15 weeks from January 23rd until May 8th, I'm going to be doing a lot of extra things on Patreon. And then after that, I'm going to kind of just see where it goes. I can do SAT and AP stats, or really any subject. I can teach any math subject. So I'm going to kind of see where it goes. But the introduction for me personally to Patreon, and for us here at Your Friendly Math Tutor, is going to be this BC Calc course, and then we're just going to kind of see where it goes and see what our patrons want. Again, this is just how we're going to get started. All right, so I hope you enjoy the content, and I look forward to meeting everybody who joins us here. All right, hope this is helpful.